What up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Chop Shop. And as you see, I got the Ranger pulled in. Long story short, like I said in the last episode, I quit my job, acquired a new job. My wife, being the bad bitch that she is, worked with me, walked out with me. She has a new job. We both used to ride to work together. Now we no longer do. So this thing's gonna be making an hour-long trip twice a day to work. So I went through and did just a full tune-up on it, oil change, plugged wires, cap rotor, put some nice NKGs in it, some decent wires, synthetic blade oil, no big deal, whatever, boring. Anyway, my only concern really with this truck is it's kind of out-of-date headlights, which normally wouldn't bother me just cruising around town, but I live out in the country and it's very, very deer heavy out here. So as much as I'm not necessarily a fan of them, I'm not even open to them yet. I got me some LED headlights for this thing, so we're gonna do a quick, easy job. Pop these bad boys out, swap those out. The only hard part of this, I do believe they have a turn signal function. I'll probably have to splice into the side markers here, but let's get these bad boys unboxed. Dang. Weather keeps teasing us. It's like 40, then it drops back down to fucking 12. It's down. Right. Cold. Over it. Over it. Oh, box inside of the box. It's another box inside this box. How to choose the right headlight. Like some half-ass instructions. I'm going to be honest, I'm normally a super cheap ass, but since I am going to be driving this, like I said, 2 hours a day, I really need to be able to see. I did drop $100 on these. The ones, even on Sandy, I think I spent like, I don't know, 60 on. But these, still looking pretty nice. Here's the kit, all laid out, guys. Like I said, it appears to come with pretty much everything. I might need a little bit of shrink tube or something, but alright, I ain't upset yet. Let's get these old headlights popped out real quick. Boom. Just did a real quick test run, guys. We actually don't even use any of the extra stuff because this is an older vehicle. There's no extra like sensors or auto dimming, auto start, anything. So you just wire these bad boys right in. Plug and play on this one. You run the 2 wires that hang off this one down here. I'll show you on the other side. Go check it out real quick. So you just wire this right into that. We acquired an extra turn signal on this side so people will be able to see us a little bit better when we're turning. That plays off. There's our regulars. And there's our brights. And you know, when it gets dark, I'll pull this out here so you can see it a little bit better. But oh yeah, quick and easy. Bow. 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 Like I said, guys, I'm sorry I'm not really dragging you along for any of this. Like I said, I want to keep this quick. This is literally 4 screws that hold that piece in. There's 2 screws that hold that piece in. And then I just tied in to my yellow and black on this side, and then green and black on that side. And then the 2 wires that you run in, you just bring up from here to there. They already have a male and female end on them. Slide their little covers over them. And you're done. You're done. That's it. I have HID, high beams, low beams, or HID, LED, high beams, low beams, and turn signals. That simple. So that was $100. I'm gonna let the sun set and see what these bad boys actually do. Alright guys, bear with me while it's dark here for just a second. But like I said, we got this all wrapped up, and let's kick these puppies on. Boom. Look at that. Like, I mean, it's so bright, it's making the F100 illuminate back at you. That's crazy. It's actually the first time I've kicked these on at night. seeing them first time watchers. So there's my low beams. Oh, that was my high beams. JK. So there's my low beams, much more tolerable. High beams, just flat out blinding. Wow. These are just some China no-name brand. I'm actually quite happy with them. Let's kick these lights off real quick and kick on my four-ways, because that is an extra option that I have now on my headlights that I did not previously have. Those also work as my turn signal, obviously. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap this episode up. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep it uber short, uber easy, cheap project, and it's gonna keep me safe while I'm driving to and from my new place of work, hopefully. So, deuces.